Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, select this background layer, let's lock, and background circle, also lock layer, and ground, let's lock, and background elements, lock layer. And let's go to layer, new and null object. For control all elements with one layer. Hold control, double click pen behind icon for move the anchor point to center. And move to center like this. Select this layer head. Let's link to null object. And select this eyes, link to head layer. Select this mouth layer, link to head layer. And select this tongue layer, link to head layer. And select this null, let's see. Okay, and select this head layer. Let's go to anchor point. Let's go to solo and move the anchor point down and unsolo. Select layer 1, go to solo, and let's click this icon for see background and move the anchor point up. Go to layer 2, enable, and move the anchor point up. And layer 3, go to solo, move the anchor point up. And now let's click session tool and choose layer 3, link to layer 2, select layer 2, link to layer 1, and select layer 1, link to layer head. And now let's try rotation, select these 3 layers, press R, and let's see, nice. Also let's choose this head layer, press R. Okay, so let's select this head layer and move the anchor point to up, like this. And let's select this head layer, layer 2, 1, and 3. Chain rotation. Okay, so in this time, let's go to layer, new, and create new null object. And move the anchor point center, move it down, and let's press R, open rotation. Choose layer 1, hold Alt and click time icon for open expression, and go to link, let's link to null object rotation, and click this empty area for down expression. Let's change rotation. Okay, and select this null, let's move the anchor point to also up. Okay, and select this rotation of 2 layer and hold Alt, click rotation, and link to null object rotation, and click this empty area. Let's close these settings, and layer 3, hold Alt, click rotation icon, and link to rotation of null object. And choose null, let's see. Okay, rigging is down, and select this null 2, let's link to null 1. Select null 1, let's see. Okay, and this null, change rotation, nice. So let's change name, rig elements, and this main controller. So in this time, select this main controller, press P, and let's create new path in keyframe, and go to 10 keyframes, move to left, and go to middle, and move to down for bounce animation, and make it keyframes easy, or click F9. Let's see. Okay. So in this time, let's close this settings 3 and head settings. Choose this layer tongue and click toggle switch mode and go to track matte. Let's track matte to mouth layer and enable mouth layer, and select this tongue layer, move it down like this. Let's move it down like this and link to mouth layer. Select mouth layer, press S, click this icon and change scale. Okay, select this tongue layer, let's move it down. So in this time, select this mouth layer and eyes layers, press P, create new path in keyframe, and go to here, and move to left. Make it keyframes easy. And select these eyes layers, hold Shift, press S, open scale, click scale icon, and go to here. Let's create new scale keyframe. Go to 3 keyframe 1 to 3. Change scale 5 for eye blink animation. Go to again 3 keyframes. For go to frame by frame keyframes, you can press page down keyboard 1 to 3 and change scale 100. And make keyframes easy. Let's see. Okay, so in this time, select these rig elements and press R, open rotation, go to here, create rotation keyframe, and go to the last keyframe, change rotation like this. Let's change 10. Go to 10 keyframes, change -5. Again, go to 10 keyframes, change 2.5. Again, 10 keyframes, -1.5. Again, 10 keyframes, 0. So there are many keyframes for bounce animation, and make the keyframes easy. Let's see. Nice, very good. And select these all keyframes, hold Alt and move to left for more speedily. Nice, very good. So go to here and choose main controller, create new position keyframe, and go to 5 keyframes, move to right, and go to middle, and move to down for bounce animation. Choose work area, let's see. Okay, go to here and select these muff layer and ice layers, create new position keyframes, go to here and move to right. Also choose these ice keyframes, scale, let's copy, go to here and paste keyframes. Let's see full animation. Okay, we can choose these keyframes and move to left for more speedily. Okay, let's move to left. Nice. And right now, let's select these rig elements and create new rotation keyframe. And go to here, let's change rotation -10. Let's zoom to like this. And go to 10 keyframes, let's write 5. Again 10 keyframes, -2.5. Again 10 keyframes, 1. And again 10 keyframe, 0. And select keyframes, hold Alt, move to left. Let's see. Let's move to left. We can choose these keyframes and move to left. Nice, very good. And in this time, let's choose this main controller. Let's create new position keyframe and go to 5 keyframes, select first keyframe, copy paste for move to center and go to back. Let's choose muff layer and ice layers, create new position keyframe, go to middle and copy first keyframes. And let's scale keyframes, copy and paste here. And select this main controller. Let's move to down for again bounce animation. Okay, select these keyframes and move to left. And select these rig elements. Let's zoom to again here. Let's move to left and here -1 and here 0. Nice. And in this time, choose this main controller. Let's create new position keyframe and go to 10 keyframes, move to down, again 10 keyframes, move to up, again move to down and again move to up. And choose work area. Nice. And select this muff layer, hold shift press S, click scale keyframe, go to here and change scale like this. Make the keyframes easy. And select this tongue layer, press P, create new position keyframe, go to here and move to up. Let's zoom to like this. Okay, select this tongue layer, make it keyframes easy and move to left. Nice. Select these eyeballing keyframes, copy and paste here. So in this time, go to pen tool. Let's create like this line and go to stroke width, change color yellow. Okay, and go to shape properties. Click this icon for smooth line caps. Okay, go to pen tool and we can change size a little bit and stroke width. So in this time, let's move to right this line and go to add, use trim path. Open trim path 1 and change end 0. Create end keyframe, go to here, change 100% and go to here, middle center, create start, go to here and 100. Make it keyframes easies and go to solo. Okay, this very slowly. Choose these keyframes, hold alt, move to left. Nice. So go to last keyframe and edit split layer or Ctrl Shift D and delete. And choose this layer, press R, chain rotation like this, minus 180. And let's change name 1. Go to unsolo and let's timing. Okay, let's chain rotation and move to here. Again, Ctrl D for duplicate. Press R, chain rotation. Move to center. Again, Ctrl D. Move to here, press R, chain rotation. And put here. And let's move to right for step-by-step animation. Let's see. Okay, not bad. We can move to left this middle layer. And select these 3 shape layers. Let's make it composition. Add the name line 1. And back to main composition. Okay, let's cut like this. And here, let's Ctrl Shift D. And let's click search name for see original names. And let's link to layer head. Okay, let's Ctrl D for duplicate for more shape layers. Again, Ctrl D. Again, let's see. Nice. Okay, in this time, select this main controller and let's copy these keyframes. Go to last keyframe, Ctrl V for loop animation. Let's see. Nice. So guys, thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.